Hi, today I will talk about 2 TB in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions 1444 into 831 into 111 mm and 1111 into 708 into 297 mm. Weight 36.5 kg and 35.8 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 300 mm. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features: 3-side ambulate next gen swivel stand up to 65 inch 2024 remote with IQ charging, detach play, FI wireless audio, game bar, and anti-reflective filter pro, game bar 2.0, motion accelerator 120. Next, display. Display technology OLED and LCD. Panel type WOLED and VAQD. Display size 42, 48, 55, 65, 77 inch Europe and 55, 65, 75 inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz and 120 Hz. Video processor P5 AI Gen 8 and AI PQ 3.0. Aspect ratio 16:9. Pixel density 57 ppi and 52 ppi. Response time 0.5 millisecond and 8 millisecond. Display orientation landscape. Brightness 1300 nits and 450 nits. Ambulate sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 plus adaptive, hybrid long gamma, Dolby Vision, and HDR10, HDR10 plus, Dolby Vision, high gig, yes. Next, connectivity. HDMI standard, HDMI 2.1, number of HDMI 4 and 3, USB ports 2 into USB A and 1 into USB A, Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.0, Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX and Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC, Ethernet 1 into RJ45. Next, Smart TV and apps. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12 and 12.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay 2 yes. HomeKit yes. Chromecast yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Speakers 2.1 70 watt and 2.1 50 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Detach X yes and no. Detach Digital Surround yes. Detach HD yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.